This year marks the 60th anniversary of the Voting Rights Act of 1965. The landmark legislation outlawed racial discrimination at the ballot box.
In the coming weeks, Colorado lawmakers will consider passing a state version of the Voting Rights Act. Denver 7's Brandon Richards spoke with the bill sponsors about why they think one is needed now.
Well, with the new administration taking power in Washington, D.C., some Colorado lawmakers say now is the time to strengthen voter protections here at home. And they say that's what their legislation would do.
This bill is our commitment to Coloradans. It is our commitment to the sanctity of voting, and it is our commitment to accountability.
State Representatives Jennifer Bacon of Denver and Junie Joseph of Boulder are two of the sponsors of Senate Bill 1, also known as the Colorado Voting Rights Act. They say it'll enshrine many protections of the Federal Voting Rights Act of 1965, which banned racial discrimination in voting, into Colorado law.
What we're also going to do in this bill is expand as well as protections for folks who would like to be voters, that they can't be discriminated against.
The bill adds protections for LGBTQ plus Coloradans, ensuring that they can't be denied access to vote because of gender identity. Joseph says it would also protect voting access for Native Americans.
I talked to a tribal council member. One of the comments he made to me is that they get turned away if they bring forward, they come to vote with their tribal license or their tribal IDs.
We still have some persistent issues with equity and access at the local level.
Allie Belknap is Executive Director of Colorado Common Cause.
Colorado Common Cause has been working to expand access to voting and improve our democracy in Colorado since 1971.
She supports the Colorado Voting Rights Act, in part because she worries the federal law won't survive much longer. In 2013, the Supreme Court struck down a key provision that required certain jurisdictions with a history of racial discrimination to get permission from the federal government before changing voting procedures, and that Congress must pass laws that speak to current conditions.
This bill is more important than ever. We are afraid that the Federal Voting Rights Act could be completely stripped away.
And the bill is now awaiting a committee hearing. Reporting at the Capitol, Brandon Richard, Denver 7.
Brandon, thank you. More than 30 community organizations have come out in favor of the bill. So far, no groups have officially filed their opposition against the bill, though the sponsors expect that will change.